Hello viewers, this is Siad. Welcome to my channel E-commerce and Tech. It's been a very long back. I'm resumes my posting. First of all, I'm apologizing very too much for this inconsistency. Maybe I'm getting only a few viewers, but I have to care my audience, even if it is a single viewer. So, okay, I'm not making any long thing. Just jump into the things what we are going to discuss today. So today what we are going to discuss is where clause. Okay, what is where clause? Just go through the definition. Okay, the where clause is used to filter records. It is used to extract only those records that fulfill a specified condition. It's nothing very simple. In last video we discussed about asterisk, right, which is used to display all the records from the table, right? Okay, so in such scenarios we need the data in a specified condition. So to do that we go for where clause. In a real-time example, consider we go for buy some shirts in a shop. Okay, so when we go for shop, we can see some list of shirts are there, right? Okay, from that list of shirts we need only black shirt. Okay, from that black shirt maybe we need only some specified brands like Peter England, Louis Philippe, Netplay, blah blah blah, something like that. Okay, so this is the concept, some similar to the word clause. Okay, so this is the syntax. Select column 1, column 2 from the table name where the condition we need the records. Okay, so this is the a summary about the word clause. It's a simple thing. This only actually we need to know only. Okay, next we just go for the practical things, something. Okay, so here I just put some random questions myself. Okay, here first question: details of employee working in department number 10. Okay, so to get that details, select star from employee, my database name and table name, where here the workers we are using department number equal to 10. Okay, so just see the results. Here what we done is we get all the details of the employees who are working in department number 10. Okay, next, what's the next question? Details of employee with the name clerk. Here what we need the all the details of employee with the name clerk. Okay, so employee where e name equal to, within double quotes, clerk. Here we can see all the details of the name clerk. The name clerk, we will get all the details of him. Okay, so then third question: details of employee with salary 2450. Okay, here we need the details of the employee whose salary is 2450. Okay, so to do that, okay, select star from table name. Here from this line we will get all the details of employee. And in where clause what we need, the specific condition, we need the details whose salary is 2450. Okay, where sal equal to 2450. Okay, now you can see we got the details whose salary is 2450. Okay, salary of employee with name 1. Okay, till third question what we done is we displayed all the details with a specified condition. Okay, here in such cases we need some column name only with specified condition. Let's go for example. Here what we ask, salary of employee with name 1. Okay, so to do that we need to display the salary first. Okay, so select sal from table name and then the condition where e name equal to 1 or, okay, so now see here we display the salary. Okay, and at the maybe if you need go for multiple conditions like we need the salary of the employee whose job is X and who's working in department number X. Okay, let's go the practical example where job equal to manager and department number equal to 10. Okay, so here we will get the salary of whose job is manager, and also he's working in department number 10. Okay, so this is where we go for multiple conditions. Okay, and at the same time, if we need multiple columns, here we here we displaying only salary. Okay, so which salary we need e name. Okay, so just put the e name. Here we got the salary and e name of the employee who's working as manager and also working in department number 10. Basic things what we are performing on workflows. Okay, there are lots of advanced operations also we can do in workflows. There are lots of things. Okay, these are the basic things. Okay, so those who need to learn more about workflows and they need to practice some things, I just putting some exercises in the description box. Okay, just try to practice. Okay, and in next video I will put that their answers. Okay, I'm just winding up, and tomorrow I will come with a new topic. Thank you for watching, guys. I'm winding up. Thank you.